Sistema Bio specializes in reducing greenhouse gas emissions from family farms in 3 ways. First, we receive all of the organic waste inside of an anaerobic digester that we install in farmers' homes. This means that none of their methane emissions make it to the atmosphere. Second, we use that methane-rich biogas as a clean energy source. This destroys the methane, but it also displaces other types of fuel, like wood fuel, charcoal, LP gas, and diesel when we use the biogas for cooking, for heating water, or in engines. And third, the resulting organic waste is now a treated specialty organic fertilizer. Farmers can use this to reduce their consumption of chemical fertilizer, and that reduces the emissions associated with the production, transport, and application of chemical fertilizers on their fields. This is where carbon credits come in. Our work with small family farms turns into carbon credits because we track the baseline at every single farm. So we understand their methane, CO2, and nitrogen emissions right from the very beginning before we work on the farm. And we size the digesters that we install to ensure that all of their organic waste goes straight into the digester and they maximize their production of energy and fertilizer. Then we have a whole team that ensures that every single farmer receives training, service, and the monitoring that we need to optimize the climate impacts of every single project. And then we send that data to a third-party verification agency. They come to the field, sit with farmers, and ensure that the calculations we're using to generate carbon credits are true.
बायोगॅस घेतल्यापासून ना बहुत धुराचा त्रास कमी झालाय आणि वेळही वाचू लागली का तर जळण हे सगळं आणावंच लागतं ना त्याच्यामुळे मग बायोगॅसमुळे मला त्याचा खूप फायदा चांगला झालेला आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला ते बायोगॅसचं मूलमूत्र राहतं शिल्लक ते आम्हाला शेतीला सध्या यूज करता येतं त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला दोन्ही फायदे झालेत आणि गुरांचं शेणही वाया जात नाहीये आणि आमचं घरचंही सगळं होऊन जातं त्यामुळे जेवण वगैरे एकदम पूर्ण वेळात पूर्ण होतं.
Once we've generated a monitoring report and reviewed that with a third-party verification agency, we send that to the gold standard. Their experts review the data, ensure everything is at the highest possible quality, and they emit the carbon credits onto their registry. We ensure that the carbon credits that we produce are extremely high quality because we adhere to the gold standards methodology, but we also use the core carbon principles. Emissions reductions are additional, which means they wouldn't have happened without carbon investment. They're transparent, means you can check our numbers, visit our farms in the field, and they're impactful. When we install digesters at small family farms, not only do they reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but it improves the economy, the health, and the productivity of these farmers.
आणि ह्या बायोगॅसमुळे वर्षाला जो LPG वरती खर्च होतो 15-16 हजार रुपये म्हणजे थोडक्यात तेवढा होतोच आणि ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी हे दोन्हीचं जर कंबाईन केलं फर्टिलायझर आणि LPG वापरलेला त्याची झालेली बचत आपल्याला वार्षिक याच्यातून 30 ते 35 हजार रुपये बचत होते.
What this means for smallholder farmers is that we can take the investment in carbon credits and apply it directly as a discount in the products, services, and training that we apply for them. This makes technology far more accessible to farmers and ensures that we can reach a scale that would not be possible without the carbon market and carbon credits. An incredible example of our impact and our ability to reduce greenhouse gases has been our project in India over the last 2 years. We've installed over 40,000 digesters, working together with local milk cooperatives, private milk companies, and directly with farmers to install digesters and register carbon credits. And we are reducing over the life of this project nearly 5 million tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Help us do this by supporting our carbon programs and investing in climate action.